Fuel quality in New Zealand is changing rapidly at the moment, which could have a bottom line effect on your productivity, efficiency. The way FuelSet works is that depending on the fuel quality that you have, which could have more deposits, could be inefficient, and over time, that can lead to more maintenance. So FuelSet can reduce a lot of that by basically regulating your fuel so that you do have more efficiency, less deposits inside your tank, thus you have less costs with maintenance over time. The areas of where it would be most beneficial would be with contractors in farming, also forestry, trucking and those spaces, because obviously very high use, and also they operate in environments where it's probably not best in terms of fuel quality. The way FuelSet works is that you just put a tiny bit amount from the bottle, about 1 in 4,000 dilution, so 10 mils per every 40 litres would be sufficient, and then just maintaining a top up over time. So every second or third top up with fuel, you'd chuck a little bit of FuelSet in is the ideal dose. It's designed for Kiwis with Kiwis in mind, help save fuel, create efficiency and less maintenance. We trust FuelSet all the time. FuelSet's part of our stable when it comes to adding into our own machinery.
It's available online or from a trusted distributor near you.